2016 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as navigation, side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio,
premium sound system,
multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive,
blind spot monitor,
parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, cooled front seats, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.